Ever wonder what parts of your car are most likely to break down? Let's take a look at the usual suspects and why they fail. Battery. Car batteries typically last 3 to 5 years, but can fail sooner due to extreme temperatures, short trips, or electrical drains. Keep an eye on its age and performance to avoid getting stranded. Brakes. Brake pads and rotors wear out with use, especially if you drive in heavy traffic or hilly areas. Listen for squeaks or grinding and replace them every 30,000 to 70,000 miles to stay safe. Alternator. This crucial part charges your battery and powers your electrical systems. Over time, wear and tear or a weak battery can cause it to fail, often around 80,000 to 150,000 miles. Transmission. Transmission issues are among the most expensive to fix. They usually occur after 100,000 miles, especially without regular fluid changes. Rough shifting and strange noises? It might be time for a checkup. Water pump. Essential for cooling your engine, the water pump can fail due to wear or a bad timing belt. Look out for leaks and overheating, especially between 60,000 to 90,000 miles. Timing belt. If this snaps, it can cause serious engine damage. Manufacturers recommend replacing it every 60,000 to 100,000 miles to prevent sudden breakdowns. Regular maintenance can help you avoid these common problems. Stay ahead of maintenance and you'll help keep your vehicle on the road for years to come. However, breakdowns happen. Call CarShield today to learn more about our plans.